Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to fix TaskRabbit registration error. So to fix TaskRabbit registration error, you can start by updating or reinstalling the app. Just go to your Google Play Store or Apple Play Store and then find TaskRabbit. And if you see an update option available here, just tap on update to get the latest version. Or you can just simply delete the existing TaskRabbit app from your phone by tapping the remove app. And then go to your Google Play Store or Apple Play Store and then re-download it again. Now the next what you can do is use the desktop site. If the app freezes, try completing the registration on a laptop or desktop computer. Use a fresh private browser tab and clear your browser's cache and cookies beforehand. Now make sure your direct deposit information is perfectly entered because TaskRabbit does not accept prepaid debit cards or saving accounts for payouts. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.